Hi there, I'm Christina Custode, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Young Living starter kit. Before we get in here, I want to tell you a little bit about how I got into using essential oils and why I'm so excited to open this box that just arrived on my porch. I started using Young Living essential oils in particular about 10 years ago, way before oils were cool. Like, now when you go on Pinterest, there's like, oh, diffuser blends, and when you walk into Bed Bath & Beyond about essential oils and how to use them. And 10 years ago, there was none of that. My mother got into it and started sharing the oils with me, and then I made it a habit of putting oils on basically everybody, and people would say, oh, what's that smell? Or, what do you use this for? Or can you show me what this is about? So I've been kind of sharing essential oils unofficially for the past 10 years with friends and family, and I'm really excited to start taking it seriously. And so I finally ordered my official Young Living starter kit, and I also signed up for Essential Rewards, which we'll talk about a little bit later. I just discovered that oils have been a part of my life for 10 years, and I know a lot about them. I love using them, and if I could share that with other people and they can have the same experience, then I might as well kind of go for it in a big way. So this is my Young Living Essential Oils starter kit. So scissors are in hand. Let the unboxing begin. All right, so it's sealed very nicely. Here's the tape. And such a satisfying sound. Okay. Woo. All right, so nice piece of bubble wrap that I can pop incessantly later. All right, so here's my little breakdown of all of the goodies inside. Oh, a beautiful little newsletter that came in. Beautiful little newsletter. And let's see what we got. Now, I do think that some of my Essential Rewards shipped in this package too, so I'm going to be very clear about what was part of my starter kit and then what were add-ons that I added from my Essential Rewards this week. And we'll talk about why I chose to use Essential Rewards, and I'll make sure that you can clearly see the difference between what was a starter kit and then what were add-ons that I was like, oh, I need that. All right. Packaging. We wanted to make sure everything got here safely, which I'm happy about. Okay, this is the Dewdrop diffuser. You can pick from different starter kits. I picked the Dewdrop diffuser, so we'll go through this guy. Open him up in a moment. Yes, this is my starter kit. We'll talk about what's in there and all of those good things. So that right there was my startup package. And then in here, in these little goodies, are my Essential Rewards. There's a couple more packages. They're packaged very nicely, as you can see. Everything has arrived safely. Nothing is damaged, nothing is broken. I don't smell that anything has leaked anywhere, so A+ on that. And then, of course, a beautiful, beautiful magazine. I set this aside with the paper products. And then a second one. So some reading material that came in. And our main box here is empty. Yay! All right, so now let's get into the details. Let's start with, I'm organizing everything. Let's start with this. Let's start with the actual starter kit with the oils and all that good stuff, because I think this is probably the most important thing, are the contents of these little bottles in here. Okay, so everything is, again, sealed really, really nicely. It feels good. Nothing's opened. Everything is completely sealed and packaged really, really nicely. What I like about Young Living is they take great pride in what they do, and I feel like you could see that in all aspects of their product, not only what they put into their oils, but also the way they present them. Their materials are nice. When you hold your products in your hands, they feel good quality. All right, so here we go. Basic starter kit. So here's a little handout that comes in your basic starter kit that's going to tell you what every kit comes with, and then if there's any modifications, the basic starter kit and then a premium starter kit. So this is just kind of a breakdown, and all this is on the website too, but they do give you that information again, a physical copy in your hands, which is nice. Okay, so, oh, look at this. This is actually really beautiful. So it's like a book almost, right? And then on the side, this is magnetic and it lifts up. And then, there they are. Okay, wonderful. So in my, the first layer here of my kit has lemon, Digest, Thieves, Peppermint, Lavender, Frankincense, Citrus, Fresh, Raven, and a couple other blends in here. Some are Vitality, which means they've gone the extra step to make sure that they're good for consumption. So these are the Vitality bottles, and then these down here are, of course, the standard essential oils. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I can count to 10. There are 10 very nice sized bottles in here for this starter kit, which is a really great start to anyone's kit. It's a solid set to start off your collection with for sure. Oh, and then you open, there's another layer. Show you the other layer. And inside the other layer, I was given some Thieves cleaner, which is amazing. It literally can replace like every chemical laden cleaner in your house. It's absolutely out of this world. So a little bit of Thieves household cleaner to try, which is great if you're not so sure about using it. If you get this package, you can try it out. Not a bad thing. In here, there's also the Ninja Red, which I love, love, love. Little supplement, and this is the one that I've been waiting for. This teeny tiny little bottle of Stress Away. I have been dying to get this bottle in my hand, so I'm gonna open it because it's my kit and I'm very excited over this. So, oh, it's lovely. Here, you wanna smell it? It smells so good. Oh, wonderful. Okay. And then there's little sample bottles in here. Like I said, I made it a habit of kind of, people are saying, oh, I've never tried an essential oil, and I'm always like, here, try this, take this. So I'll definitely make good use out of these little sample bottles and sharing. I find that once people use essential oils, then they fall in love with them. So I'm a big advocate of like giving them out, putting them on people. Because once you try it, then it's like seeing is believing in every sense of the word with these things. Even in college, people be like, "You're a witch lady," which is so funny because I'm not a witch. Like, believe me, if I had magical powers. Well, anyways, that's a story for another time. But I put them on people and I share them freely, and this little kit definitely makes that a little bit easier with these little sharing bottles. Another one that I'm really excited about, I'm pretty much addicted to lavender. I use lavender constantly. And there's a Citrus Fresh in here, which is like super uplifting. So that is what is in there. And then there's also, some other more materials in here. Everything is packaged really beautifully. It fits good. It's a nice way to store them too for right now, until I get something a little bit more permanent to put my collection in. It's very nice, it's compact, it's sturdy. I feel confident leaving my oils in here that nothing's going to tamper with them or get into them. So kudos on the packaging. So this is my starter kit, and I did choose a premium starter kit, which means that it did include a diffuser. So the Dewdrop will be the next item that we're gonna go ahead and unbox. So we'll set these little goodies aside and we'll get into this Dewdrop. Again, everything is packaged and sealed really beautifully. There's that seed to seal promise. You've seen that on absolutely everything, it's not a slogan, it's a promise is what it says. And that's why they put it on absolutely everything, just to reaffirm their promise. So inside here is my Dewdrop diffuser, and it's the manual. Okay, so it's gonna walk me through it. I am a diffuser junkie and a diffuser pro, so I'm pretty sure I can get this guy up and running without this, but it's always good to have it just in case. All right, so top part, oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so here is the body of the Dewdrop diffuser. It's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of got like this pearlescent green color, okay? Comes apart really nicely. I love how it's kind of already assembled for me. There's not a lot for me to do with this, which is really nice. It's not like, you know, this is separate and this is upside down. It comes showing you almost exactly how it's gonna be put together. Yep, so here's the inside of the diffuser. Beautiful, ready to rock and roll. Here's the top, and then of course, the exterior. There we go. All right, and then in this box, this should be the cord. If I was guessing, I'm gonna say this is gonna be my power source. Ah, and it is. There it is, beautiful power source, ready to go. You can tell nothing's been opened. It's all brand new, which is lovely. Yeah, and then this is just some packing material. Okay, well, that is the contents of one of the premium starter kit. Okay, so this is a premium starter kit with essential oils. We went over the 8 oils that were in there, and then I got the Stress Away blend and the Citrus Fresh Vitality that was in mine, and then also the diffuser, the Dewdrop diffuser. There are other diffuser options too if this isn't necessarily your style, or you're looking for a diffuser that just is oil and doesn't do water, because this one is one where you combine your oil with water and then it humidifies as well. If you're looking for one that does something different, there's other options you can choose from. This is just the choice that I made, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's really nice. Okay, so now let's talk essential rewards just for a quick second, because I did get other items in my first kit. And what I did not realize, that when I placed my first request for my starter kit and I filled out the essential rewards, I did not realize that my essential rewards were going to be coming that very same month with my starter kit. I just wasn't clear on that. So that's kind of awesome that here I was expecting to receive the diffuser and the starter kit today, but I actually received the other items that I purchased as well from my essential rewards. So for me, I chose to do essential rewards because, like I said, I've been using these products as a part of my everyday life for 10 years. And when you look at the price difference and you look at the discount, essential rewards just makes sense. It just makes sense. Here's a tea tree. Now, let me see. Purification, thieves, aroma yeast, citrus fest, lemongrass, tea tree. So this is actually not my essential rewards. This is still part of that kit. This is part of the premium starter kit. Is this full bottle of tea tree. So there's that. Let's see. Yes, now these are the little friends that I ordered through Essential Rewards. Here they are. Beautiful. Oh, fantastic. This Basil Vitality. I feel like this is part of this. I feel like it. If I would just review my order summary, then I would know. I know that's what you're saying. Christina, just look at your order summary. You'll have all of these answers. So perhaps that's what we're going to have to do at the end. Because, yep, I had ordered this guy. This one as well. Excellent. And then one more. This, fennel. That was also one that was over here. Okay, so let's just review. And maybe just for my own clarity, I'm just going to kind of go through this out loud. These were ones that I had purchased. This little crew, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I had purchased as part of my my essential rewards. We'll put this little cluster over here so you could see my monthly order. Put these little cuties over here. Adorable. And this one. Okay, so a couple straight, oils, a couple blends. Really excited, especially for this one. I've never smelled it. Really excited to get in there. Okay, so now let's go here and let's see what was part of the premium starter kit. So I'm giving you the correct information so we're not confused. Okay, here we are. Okay, so yes, the fennel was part of the premium kit. So the full-sized fennel, the Basil Vitality was also part of this, and then the tea tree was also part of this. Okay, so here's my premium starter kit. Okay, here's a starter kit with, I chose the Dew Drop Diffuser. Okay, this was all things, and then this was part of my monthly essential rewards. If you do choose to do essential rewards, you can go in, you can change your order every month. For example, I love Exodus 2. It's one of my favorite oils to use, but I don't use a ton of it just because you don't need that much. So next month, I'll probably remove Exodus and I'll put maybe a bottle of Thieves Cleaner on or something. And you can swap out your monthly order as for what you need and what you're using. The great thing about these oils is, like I said, you don't need to use a ton. So like this little bottle will last you a very long time. So you get a lot of bang for your buck, a lot of use out of everything. This kit and those 8 oils that are in here are going to last me, you know, we're talking a long time, like a really long time, maybe a few months probably. And that's if I'm sharing them, because like I said, I do tend to put them on people and I diffuse all of the time. So yeah, I'm so excited to get into this more, and I wish you could be here to smell this. And if you're interested in learning more about Young Living oils, or how to use essential oils in general, or what's the difference between different types of essential oils, we are going to be hosting an online Facebook class. And if you can't make the date of the actual class where we're doing it live, you can always watch it at a later date, and it's going to be up. You can post questions. I think we have it for a few weeks after. So like I said, if that original date that we're doing it doesn't work, don't hesitate to log on and get in there and ask some questions. And if you want to try something, shoot me a message. Get in touch with me, let me know, and I'll be happy to come and like rub one of these on you so you could give it a try yourself. All right, thanks for unboxing this for me. I'm gonna go plug this in, and maybe I'll use like some citrus fresh and maybe a couple drops of lavender, and it's gonna be so good. Okay, exciting stuff.